How to face failures in life. 1. Understand failure is the key path to success. Keep a positive perspective and understand that you only failed because you tried. Failure in life is what teaches you lessons and pushes you a step towards your end goal. 2. Remain calm and reflect. Think about it. No matter what you do in your present, nothing will change the past. Do not channel your frustration and anger in a negative way. Keep your composure and channel your emotions and feelings in a positive manner. 3. Learn from your failures. Every so often people do not pay attention to their failures. By doing this, you will not be able to cope with and overcome your failures. 4. Don't rationalize your failure. Many times when you fail you may rationalize it and give yourself a reason to give up. For example, a fox in the woods sees some grapes and jumps to get them. After a couple of failed attempts the fox gives up. 5. Self-confidence. Never ever let failure in life affect your confidence level. If you fail, it doesn't mean you can never do it. Keep going at it and believe in yourself.